Hey guys, Lamkari here, your favourite Z Fold case brand. In today's video, we'll uncover over 50 tips, tricks and hidden features for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, the best foldable phone in the world right now. Whether you're a proud owner or considering buying one, this video will help you maximise your Z Fold 5 experience. Let's dive in and get started right away with some amazing tactics. Let's start by ensuring your battery is in top condition. Open the Samsung Members app, go to Support and run a battery status check. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, Battery and Device Care Diagnostics to check your battery and run a full test. Make sure the status shows normal and good for battery life. If it doesn't, consider returning the phone for a replacement. Make your contacts unique by editing their photo ID. Tap on the contact's photo and choose from your gallery, stickers or any image. You can also set a custom video as your call background. Go to the contact, tap Edit Call Background and select any video you want. Additionally, you can assign unique ringtones or vibration patterns to your contacts for more personalization. Enable free malware protection by going to Settings, Battery and Device Care Device Protection. Turn it on to scan for viruses and spyware. Customize your icons by pinching the screen, going to Themes Icons and selecting from thousands of free icon packs. Personalize the Google search bar by changing its color and shape through the Google app settings. Change your phone's name in Settings. About phone to something unique. This name will appear when connecting via Bluetooth or sharing files. Customize the taskbar by dragging and dropping your most used apps for quick access. Activate Flex Mode for all apps in Settings, Advanced Features, Labs Flex Mode panel. This adds a control panel when the phone is half folded. For a more immersive experience, turn off the taskbar in Settings Display, Taskbar. Enable split-screen multitasking by swiping in with 2 fingers from either side. Activate this in Settings, Advanced Features, Multi-Window. Swipe down from the top of an app to convert it to a pop-up view. Enable this in Settings, Advanced Features, Multi-Window. Activate the multi-window menu for single windows in Settings, Advanced Features, Multi-Window. Hide the taskbar and status bar for a full-screen split view in Settings, Advanced Features, Multi-Window. Choose between swipe gestures and button navigation in Settings, Display Navigation Bar. Adjust your keyboard for easier typing by splitting it or using a floating keyboard. Access these settings from the keyboard itself. Enhance video quality by setting video brightness to bright in Settings, Advanced Features, Video Brightness. Activate Dolby Atmos for better sound quality in Settings, Sound and Vibration, Sound Quality and Effects. Reduce eye strain by enabling Eye Comfort Shield in Settings Display. Extend battery life by enabling Protect Battery in Settings, Battery and Device Care Battery, more battery settings. Move multiple apps at once by selecting them in batch mode. Press and hold an app, select others and move them together. Turn off the Google Discover feed by pinching the home screen and toggling off the Google Discover option. Enable and customize the Edge panel for additional quick access in Settings Display Edge panels. Enable adaptive power saving to automatically adjust battery performance based on your usage patterns. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care Battery Power Mode and turn on Adaptive Power Saving. Identify apps that consume too much battery by going to Settings, Battery and Device Care Battery Usage. Keep your sensitive information safe by setting up Secure Folder in Settings, Biometrics and Security Secure Folder. Use Private Share to securely share files that can't be reshared or screen captured. Find it in your Quick Settings panel. Use Director's View to capture videos from multiple camera angles simultaneously. Open the Camera app, swipe to More and select Director's View. Take full control of your camera settings with Pro Mode. Open the Camera app, swipe to More and select Pro. Capture multiple photos and videos with a single tap using Single Take Mode in the Camera app. Enhance low-light photos with Night Mode, available in the Camera app settings. Quickly jot down notes even when the screen is off by pulling out the S Pen and writing on the screen. Use Air Actions with the S Pen to control your phone remotely. Customize these actions in Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen Air Actions. Use Smart Select to capture and extract text from any part of your screen with the S Pen. Customize your Edge panels for quick access to apps, tools and contacts in Settings Display, Edge Screen, Edge Panels. Schedule dark mode to turn on automatically at sunset or at a custom time in Settings Display, Dark Mode Settings. Extend or reduce your screen timeout duration in Settings, Display, Screen Timeout. Enable High Contrast mode for better visibility in Settings, Accessibility, Visibility Enhancements, High Contrast mode. Activate magnification gestures to zoom in on any part of the screen in Settings. Accessibility, Visibility Enhancements, Magnification. Easily share files with other Galaxy devices using Quick Share, found in your Quick Settings panel. Use Nearby Share to quickly share files with nearby Android devices. Access it from the Quick Settings panel. Customize your gesture navigation in Settings Display, Navigation bar, More options. Activate and customize Bixby Voice Assistant for hands-free control in Settings, Advanced features, Bixby Routines. Enable one-handed mode for easier use with one hand in Settings, Advanced features, One-handed mode. Create app pairs to launch two apps simultaneously in split screen mode. Drag an app from the taskbar and drop it on top of another app.